What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about convert text to number in Excel. We will tell you 7 ways to convert text to number in Excel. Along with that, when you import any data from database to your PC, that time you want to convert all the data, all the text formatted number into the number format. So we will tell you that how you can do that at once. So stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, if you are new to this channel, then click on subscribe button and on the bell notification select all. Give a thumbs up if you like this video and do let us know in the comment section about your feedback. Alright. Now let me show you the Excel file here. As you can see, we have a number here. First, I'm gonna tell you the difference between text format and the number format. All of these are in the text format. As you can see, they are aligned to the left side, and these are in the number format because they are aligned to the right side. Along with that, you can see a green triangle in the cell, which explains you that it's a number format. However, sometime they never comes up, and even after that the number you have is in text format. So to ensure that you have the number in text format, you have to use a formula. Type here is equal to is number, press tab to autocomplete, select the cell, close the cell and press enter. As you can see, it says false. Let me set this formula for all the text format. As you can see, it's showing me that it's false. It's not a number, it's a text. And if I use the same here as number, select this one and close the bracket, then it says it's a number. All of these are number. Now here, before telling you other ways, but before that, I like to answer the question which was asked on the tech forums about the Vlookup. As you can see, we have these number here. These are the IDs which I use, and here we already set a Vlookup formula. As you can see, D11 is this one. From A11 to B17, it's gonna cover all the data, and I want the answer of second row. This one is a second row, and this represent the accurate answer. But even after we have this formula in here, it's not showing me the answer. As you can see, I have typed 51 in here, but I'm not getting this number as an answer. As you can see here, it's aligned to the left side. Along with that, you can see there is a green triangle in the cell. So the first thing we have to do is to convert this one as a number, to convert this text format to number, so that we can get our answer. For that, you can see this one, exclamation mark diamond icon. Click on this and you'll get this option, convert to number. As you can see, once I have this 51 ID here, I'm getting this amount. If I type 48, then I'll get the different amount. If I will type 45, then I will get 456 as an answer. So now it's converted to the number format. That's why I'm able to get the accurate answer from my sheet. So this is about the Vlookup, what if you have on your Excel sheet. Now let's talk about the other ways how you can convert text to number in Excel. As you can see, this number is in the text format, and I already told you about this. This is called smart tag. With the use of smart tag, you can easily convert text to number. As you can see, once I converted this text format number into number format, it aligned to the right side and it says true. So now it's in the number format. Now let's move forward to the fourth option. The fourth way we have is use the value formula. Type is equal to value and select the cell and close it, and you'll get the number. Same you can do here as well. is equal to value autocomplete, press tab and select the number and close. Press enter and you'll get your number. Now the fifth way to convert text to number is to copy paste the empty cell. To copy paste the empty cell, just click here, Control C. Now click on the cell and click here, paste, and you'll get this option, paste special, and click on add and press OK. Now you can see this text format converted into number format and it says true. Now the sixth way we have is to use the options we have in here on the top side. Click on the data and here you will see text to column. Leave this option as it is, delimit it. Click on next and leave this option as it is, default. Click next and leave this as it is and click on finish, and you can see this text number convert into number format. Now the seventh way we have is to convert all of the text format numbers into number format at once. In this you can use any of the options, the value function, the empty cell. You have to just copy and select all and click on paste, paste is special, click on add, OK, it's gonna convert into number at once. Or either you can use the value formula is equal to value, press tab to autocomplete and select your cell, close the bracket, set that formula for all of these and you'll get your number format. Or either we can do the best option, select all of these, and as you can see the smart tag here, click here, convert to number, and all of these will convert to number format. So these are the 7 ways to convert text to number in Excel. If you have any doubt about any of these options, do let me know in the comment section. We will surely get back to you. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.